telling you, man. You should read a book. Read a book, man. Start with something you might be interested about. It don't even have to be a full, big old chapter book. It could be something like 30 pages. You don't have to read it all in one setting. But reading, knowledge is power, man. And if you can master the language, that shit is even more powerful. That's what the Moors did. That's why they were so powerful.
I got a dictionary / thesaurus, and I want to start committing them to memory.
You know what you should do then? Get the Black's Law Dictionary, 1786 or something like that, or 23, I think, 23. It explains the definition of what white really is, what the white person really is, and what the black person really is. And it's all about status. It's really not much about color. It is now, but it wasn't back then. Everything has been reversed. So that's a good investment, and I have to invest in myself like soon. It shows you the definition of a true slave, which wasn't about skin color neither. It's crazy, right?
It wasn't about It wasn't about a shade. It was about a slave. It was about a Slav. Wow.
That's real right there. The true slave
It's a Slav.
is a Slavic from like Yugoslavia, Ukraine, Russia, the Irish. They were slaves. So back then, if you look it up, it was like 14 million white slaves back then. And like during the slave trade, I think they calculated 4 million supposedly blacks coming over on boats, on ships as slaves. That don't add up. You know what I mean?
Just so you know, we was the first on the boat. First on the boat.
We was the first on the boat.
Yeah.
Hope you know.
Hope you know.
We the first on the boat.
First on the boat.
Hope you know.
Whoa.
We was the first on the boat.
First on the boat.
First on the boat.
Yeah. First to
First
go.
with the rope.
Whoa. Yeah.
First with the toast. First on the post.
Yeah.
First to get it.
Yeah.
First to whip him. What?
Whoa.
First to live it.
Yeah.
Golden shivers.
Golden
quiver.
Quivers.
Big empires.
Whoa.
Zulu nation. Niggas
Brother
on fire. We so ill. We shoot to kill.
Whoa.
Big ass spears. Cannons for real. They
She's
stole
like a
us from.
Haitian. She's like a Haitian.
Hey,
Cut your head. Gun up Jamaican.
making.
Run around sick. Coin bush master.
Master.
Shoot you in the head.
Head.
Woman bush master.
Master.
Run around gata.
Got him.
Gotta go gata.
Blah.
Boom bata.
Bow.
Chata.
Chop.
Chata. Combata.
Bata.
I'm in the ville. I'm in the hill. And it's getting real. Whoa.
Whoa.
Sometimes I just chill in the tree.
Tre.
I just chill around rapping. Hey. Run around me rapping. M.R. Yes, we go bar for fucking bar.
Hey.
Inside my foreign, yes sir. Car, fucking, fucking, nigga, about to start. We a real nigga, not a nigga, man, trick,
We was the first on the boat.
Whoa,
The first on the boat.
yeah,
I hope you know.
hope you.
We was the first on the boat.
We was the first to go, first to float, first to tote, being on the boat,
boat. First to tote.
something on the boat.
Boat.
Cannabis was ours.
Didn't
They took it.
Took it.
Mexicans, my brothers,
Brothers.
but they don't know it.
Know it.
Sometimes know it,
No.
but they don't really show it.
Show it. We was the first on the boat.
Whoa,
We was the first with that coat.
whoa.
We was the first with that white girl.
Whoa.
Hey. We was the first on the yoke.
That ass.
Yes. Dead ass we Craig crash. We invented
They
the
found,
cars.
they found coke inside
We invented
the,
them
whatchamacallit,
bars.
inside
We
the,
invented everything.
the Pharaoh's nose.
We pray to the stars. The Dogon tribe of Mali, they get it, the stars.
Whoa.
That's serious A.
Whoa.
That's serious B. I come through, nigga. The stars want me.
Whoa.
I am a star.
Whoa.
I spit them bars.
Whoa.
I spit that piff. Y'all niggas not.
Y'all niggas not.
White nigga that true, nigga.
Whoa.
White nigga that true, nigga.
I
White
eat
nigga.
the sun. You don't.
Hey, we was the first with the boat. Hey, let me hear that shit.